big part of keeping a clear space, I know, is preventing the clutter in the first place. What are some habits we can be practicing every day to make sure that our space is clean?
Having a place for things to go is the number one thing to figure out. And then every day, really making sure before you go to bed or before you get to work or starting your day in the house, put those things away. It will get easier and easier as you go.
Almost like training your muscle memory.
It really is, yeah.
Okay, Kim, so just to wrap it up, can you give us 3 quick tips that we can do today to make our homes clear and stress-free?
When you are looking for seating, get something that has the function of decluttering, such as a banquette with storage or a bench with storage. A cabinet is always a good idea. Drawers, doors, and also baskets, not just having the basket, but putting a lid on it. The next is be unconventional. There's so many neat ways to create storage on a budget that we don't think about, like grab a spice rack and put it behind your pantry door or your vanity door. You can pack up your cosmetic bags, your toothbrush, all of those simple things, and now they're housed in a way that you can get to them very easily. And lastly, every day when you come home, start to take notes. Oh wow, I put these types of things in these types of places. Make notes, measure it out, and start to list out, well, what am I going to get to house these items? And one quick last tip, compartmentalize even further. When you open a drawer, use all those neat boxes that come with your candle or little bags that come with things, and open the drawer and have all of that organized so it's not spreading and piling amongst themselves.
Okay, well, you heard it. Start using those boxes and lids and organize the drawers, and before you know it, hopefully you'll be a lot more stress-free at home. Thank you so much, Kim, for giving us your insider tips today.
Thank you, Michelle.
And if you would like more information on optimizing your home space, please visit us at DailyOM.com.